Today we're going to solve set 5 problems 11 and 12. Problem 11. This 3x3 grid shows 9 1x1 centimeter squares and uses 24 centimeters of wire. What length of wire is required for a similar 40x40 grid? Now, we're first going to analyze why this 3x3 grid uses 24 centimeters. And we have the circumference, which is 3 times 4 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. And for the vertical lines, we have 3 minus 1 long lines that are composed of 3 short 1 centimeter lines. And same for the horizontal line. There are 3 minus 1 lines, and each horizontal line is composed of 3 short lines. And when we add them up, it's 12 plus 6 plus 6, which is 24, and that is why the 3x3 grid uses 24 centimeters of wire. Now, we're going to apply the same thing for 40x40 grid. We have circumference, which is 40 times 4. And then for the vertical lines, there's going to be 40 minus 1 lines, which are composed of 40 shorter lines. And same for horizontal one. There's going to be 40 minus 1 horizontal lines composed of 40 shorter lines. And that is equal to 160 plus 40 minus 1 times 40 times 2. And that is equal to 160 plus 40 minus 1 times 80. 160 plus 3200 minus 80. That is equal to 3200 plus 80. So the correct answer is C. Problem 12. The diagram shows an equilateral triangle divided into 4 smaller equilateral triangles. One of these triangles has itself been divided into 4 smaller equilateral triangles. What fraction of the area of the large triangle has been shaded? So this triangle is 1/4 of the original triangle. So this is 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. And this triangle is also 1/4. However, this 1/4 equilateral triangle is again divided into 4, which is 1/16. So this is 1/16 of the original triangle. So 1/16 times 3 is 3/16. So C is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.